Hey guys, so if you just installed my Verizon app, here's how to set it up. So firstly, just make sure to download the proper version. So just go to the Play Store, go to the search, my Verizon app, and you're looking for this app, my Verizon Consumer Group. After that guys, you will need to sign in with this button right over here. You will need to use your mobile number or user ID and then tap on continue. The app will send you a verification code by text. After that, enter the code to confirm that it's you. And if you don't already have a Verizon account, tap on register instead. You'll need your Verizon mobile number, account number or billing zip code. Create your user ID, set a password and then verify with the code sent to your phone. Once signed in, the app may ask you for permissions like access to your notifications and location. Allow them so you get real-time alerts and to locate nearby Verizon stores if needed. And the app will now load your account dashboard. From here, you can see your plan details, monitor data usage, pay bills, and manage devices. Faster logins in the future, you can set up Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint unlock if your phone supports it. And now your Verizon app is ready to use, guys. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next useful tutorial.